It's Rad-Monster. Hope you enjoy my new video. So I just got my Sips Buy box and I wanted to open it up and show you what was inside. So this is October's box. So it came with a card, personalized with made just for you. So these are the 4 teas that came in my box this month. And the first one looks like a green holly tea. And this one's called American Green Yupon. It is high caffeine and it's a caffeinated herb. Yupon is a caffeinated herb, so it's natural. So it looks like a packet of loose leaves, which is great. So I'm excited to try that. And it also comes with a little packet of disposable bags to use for the loose leaf tea. So that's great to use. Second one looks like a couple of packets of Ajiri tea. And this is a Kenyan organic green tea. Low caffeine. Ajiri is actually a Swahili word for employ. So it helps with employment in Western Kenya. And their proceeds go to an orphanage, as it says in the back. So you get to enjoy green tea and also do some good for the world. So that's great. They give you 4 packets of that tea. The next one is an English breakfast almond tea from London. And it's high caffeine, obviously. English breakfast typically is high caffeine. It's a British family business. Well known in Britain, and it's black tea. So this one also came with 4 packets of that. And then the last tea is a magic potion, color changing blue raspberry. So this one is caffeine free. It says to add a squeeze of lemon to the blue raspberry infusion. Watch it go from indigo to violet. So that looks kind of cool. The secret ingredient, it says, is butterfly pea flower. So it's a mood ring for your mug. That's the tagline for it. So it's also a loose leaf packet. Here's the instructions on there, caffeine free. And again, they provide these disposable bags to use with it, so that's great. And then some information about the Kenyan tea and what the benefits of using that tea are, as well as some more information about the almond tea. And that's the box. So I'm really excited. This is my first Sips Buy box that I've gotten, but I'm really passionate about tea, so I'm really excited to try all of these. I'll do some reviews, I think, if I decide that they're worthy of reviews. But that's pretty much my Sips Buy. If you guys also get Sips Buy and get different teas, let me know which ones you get. If you tried any of these, also let me know what you think of these kinds of teas. And I will let you know what I think once I try them out. So, hope you have a good one.